Yeah, all of my crops have died too. I don't think there's anything we can do about it. If only there was some magical machine that could somehow make our crops resistant to the bugs, the cold, the drought, and the flooding.
I've been overhearing your conversation and it looks like I have the product for you. This is C2BR and it can solve all your problems.
What is that? It just looks like a box with paper around it.
As I said, it's C2BR and it can solve all your problems. It does this with genetic engineering. It takes DNA from other crops that have resistances and can put it into your own.
Wow, that could solve my crisis.
I know.
How did you manage to do that?
Well, I'll explain in a second.
To describe how C2BR works, we have a plant that we're going to use to describe it. This is a husk of corn. This currently is resistant to nothing. Then we take our syringes to insert the genes, stick it into the corn, inserting the gene. This one is for insect repellent. Take the other one, stick it in, and insert the gene for cold repellent. Now this corn has both insect repellent and cold, so when we take the seeds from it, we can plant more and create products that are resistant to cold and the insects, allowing them to live longer and better.
Thanks to C2BR, you can now create crops that are naturally resistant to bugs, the cold, and flooding. C2BR can create bug-resistant bacteria by adding sections of DNA into the genome of the crop that create proteins that act as natural pesticides. This allows the plant to protect itself from bugs without the need for man-made pesticides that can be a danger to the environment of the crop. This is a huge advantage for farmers, as crops lost by bugs cost the United States $120 billion each year. This is not only good for the farmers, but good for the entire country. Another big benefit of C2BR is the ability to withstand the freezing cold, as many crops begin to lose their resistance to cold around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. But thanks to C2BR, your crops can now survive up to 1 week at 34 degrees Fahrenheit. It does this by taking DNA from winter wheat, which can allow the crop to survive until late spring. This means plants can survive longer and produce more food. This could drastically increase the output of plants and increase the profit of farmers. Another benefit of C2BR is that, similar to the resistance of flooding with the loss of carbon dioxide, it slows down metabolism to conserve water in case of a drought. During the lack of water, the plant slows down its metabolism in order to survive. Finally, C2BR can allow your crops to survive floods. C2BR inserts other sections of DNA that create proteins to make the stem of the branch stronger and the roots stay firmer in the ground. Another big threat to crops during floods is the loss of carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide like humans need oxygen, and during a flood, a plant's level of available carbon dioxide is limited, almost like they are drowning. C2BR inserts DNA into the crop to give it a stress-responsive change in metabolism, which would occur during a flood when a plant has a lockup of carbon dioxide. Farmers everywhere are struggling to fight off the causes of crop loss, ranging from bugs to the cold and to flooding. C2BR is the answer to all of these problems and unlocks the possibility of even more potential.
Wow, this could save my farm. This could increase my productivity by double.
I agree. The possibilities are endless. This could save millions of lives all over the world.
I know, but getting it's not cheap.